Hello there everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today I would like to take you through another makeup tutorial inspired by the gorgeous Violet Voss and Huda palettes. Especially this Violet Voss makeup palette is simply amazing. I got it in summertime, I think from Clearwater or Tampa shopping center or Sephora of course, and I was surprised even then how amazing it was. The quality is so rich yet so soft, so plush, much better than say designer brands you got some 10-15 years ago. Is something simply amazing and a great value for money. I think I paid around some $20 something, so I highly recommend it. Now moving on, you saw there I started applying a gorgeous peel off mask which I purchased recently, and check the video for that, in charcoal, so black charcoal, which is as great as the 24 karat peel off mask I also purchased and experimented with that time. After which I applied, of course as usual, my routine of toner, serum and cream, and afterwards applying slowly the 5 items I love. So check that video because there's items which you do not want to miss and are going to help you so much. Now, next was applying the number 7 primer and the Miss Sporty foundation. Why? Because I had a spot on the chin and something around the nose as I have eaten some nuts, and I thought that at my age I should not be prone to this, but wishful thinking. And afterwards I started working on my eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows are pretty thick, but the camera has no mercy. I have experimented with cameras in front of the window, as you see now, filmed on a Samsung Galaxy camera, and in the past artificial light on my Canon or Nikon cameras, and I am not happy until now, so I have to apologize for the quality of the video. Trust me, it looks much better in real life. I received so many compliments. So I started applying one of the 5 items I mentioned to you, the L'Oreal Lash Serum on the lower lashes, and afterwards the primer on the eyes, just to define the area between the eyebrows and the makeup, as lots of people are using this trick because of the contrast. As you saw there, my eyebrows are pretty thick, but simply for the sake of the video I'm applying Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade and of course mascara, which is a very worn mascara. And afterwards you saw there the brushes I'm using for this tutorial. 8 brushes, 2 large, 1 for application and 1 for blending, which is very important, 2 medium brushes and 4 small precision brushes. So I started using the Huda makeup palette, and I started using out of all the colors you saw there, henna, which is a lighter brown. Afterwards I'm going to use the Bossy, which is a darker brown, and I'll continue with Man Eater, which is a Bordeaux color, which I'm going to apply it using the same large brush you see being used here, and in the end I'll be applying the black truffle with a small precision brush. As you can see, these colors, these Huda palette colors are very beautiful. Nuances of brownish are something that suit me a lot, so this is what I apply on a daily basis. This makeup you see here is a bit more for the evening. During the day normally I apply something very light because I don't like a very strong makeup, and I never touch my eyebrows during the day. But I just apply a bit of foundation and concealer around the nose and the chin, which are more problematic. Now, with a very small precision brush, I'm applying that black truffle which I mentioned to you, and which is so strong in real life. So you have to be very careful when you apply this black from the Huda palette, because it is a very strong black. And you know, years ago you couldn't even find nuances of black like this in any makeup palette. So how fortunate are we nowadays? Right, so after blending carefully with this small precision brush, the Huda Black Truffle, I start applying the Violet Voss makeup, which is, as you can see, is simply amazing. I love it. I'm going to use the golden shimmer and that pink shimmer, and maybe you got a sense what a great quality this Violet Voss palette is, and I highly recommend it. It is the best I have ever seen. You have to get it. It's a simply amazing quality. So I'm trying to achieve a kind of halo makeup in the middle, so I'm applying the gold right in the middle, and on the sides I'm going to apply with other small precision brushes the pink, as you can see here, both on the sides of the gold to highlight that gold, which is simply amazing. And so is the pink. Pity in this tutorial you can't see it that well as in real life, and I'm not sure what to blame, the cameras, maybe something wrong with me. Right, after applying this carefully and that golden even in the inner eye area with a small precision brush, I'm going to apply the Rimmeled gold pencil, which I got from Beauty Base in one of the shops in London, and it's a simply amazing quality. I highly recommend it. And then going on the lower side with another small precision flat brush, that gorgeous color from the Huda palette. I'm not very keen on this because it drops my eyes further, so my eyes are, as you can see there, they're droppy and hooded, and I have got a mature skin, so I have to be very careful. I don't want to look older, I want to look younger, don't I? Next step is applying the Inglot black eyeliner, which I love. It's simply amazing. I highly recommend it to you. Again, I got it in the States in Miami from an Inglot shop, and you get one, it lasts you so many moons, as opposed to an eyeliner like L'Oreal, and that is done in a matter of weeks. And afterwards I'm cleaning up that area with the Revolution concealer. You can use this or you can use a tape, after which I applied already the NYX mascara, and now the final step, using the fake lashes, which I love, and again I never apply them during the day, only in the evening for special occasions. So there you have it. If you are in the same dilemma as me, with hooded and droppy eyes and mature skin, and you want to look gorgeous, there you have it. This is a makeup that, if you have got the same type of eyes like me, might work on you too. So as ever, thank you for watching and have a very nice day. Bye!